Hey everybody, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. What do these three things have in common? Stick around and find out.
Oh, fuck!
Welcome everyone. Every year the White Lightning HOG Chapter goes to Maggie Valley, North Carolina for a long weekend of rides and fun. This year my wife and I were lucky enough to be able to make it. If you've never been to Maggie Valley before, the town is located in North Carolina. It's about 3.5 hours from Chattanooga, and the town is extremely biker friendly. During this ride, we decided to head over to Asheville, North Carolina and check out the Harley dealership there. The day was overcast for the most part, and we rode through some sleepy little towns, but those North Carolina back roads were a lot of fun. Right about here is where my handlebar GoPro died. I was so aggravated that I mentioned to my wife I was about to chuck it in the woods. But since she's an accountant, she mentioned it might not be such a good idea. Now, this is just me screaming at my GoPro and trying to shame it back into working. It didn't work. It's time to stretch our legs a little bit at Harley-Davidson of Asheville and pay that Harley tax.
long has gone, but you can never go back. Struggle to survive, and you're still alive. Carry on, even if you've been misled, and all of your dreams are dead.
Now it's time to head back to the hotel, relax, and have a little bit of fun. Not only do bikers love to ride, but we also enjoy each other's company, and sometimes all the craziness that comes with it. The duck races. It's a pretty simple concept. $5 a duck, you pick a number, the winner takes the prize.
I believe that must be the
There you go, man.
Here comes the duck. Here comes the duck. First and second number. 14 First number is this duck right here. 24. Oh, no. It's two of them. Here's the race. You got that one. 39. 32. All right. What's that one there? 39. 47. 10 and 26 here.
Okay, we got it. Catching that. Get the dogs going to go. Don't forget this one. Right on, this
I
one.
see it.
Number 5, catch it.
And this, kids, is why we don't drink.
Oh, fuck!
Whose idea was this shit?
I didn't know the trick.
Thank you guys very much for watching. I'm going to be signing off. We're going to be leaving Maggie Valley and heading back to Chattanooga soon. So if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you'll do all those things, I promise I'll get back to you. Thanks a lot and have a great day.